In this question, it is given that let the sum of the coefficients of the first three terms in the expansion of this be 376, then the coefficient of x to the power 4 is dash. You have to fill in the blank. It is clear that first three terms in the expansion of this will be nc0 x to the power n. In this question, it is given that let the sum of the coefficients of the first three terms in the expansion of this be 376, then the coefficient of x to the power 4 is dash. You have to fill in the blank. It is clear that the first three terms in the expansion of this will be nc0 it is clear that first three terms in the expansion of this will be nc0 x to the power n minus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 into 3 by x square, and third term will be nc2 x to the power n minus 2 9 by x to the power 4. Clearly the coefficients are nc0, that is 1, and here minus 3n, and here n into n minus 1 by 2 into 9. You can see very easily sum is 1 minus 3n plus n into n minus 1 by 2 into 9 is equal to 376. That is, I get 2 minus 6n plus 9n square minus 9n equal to 752. That is, I get 9n square minus 15n minus 750 equal to 0. Clearly, the whole equation is divisible by 3. I get 3n square minus 5n minus. Obviously, it is very difficult to calculate the value of n by using quadratic formula. But note that n is a natural number is given to us. Keeping this thing in mind, it can be written as n into 3n minus 5 is equal to 250. That is, we have to find the value of n so that the product of these two becomes 250. Still, it doesn't seem to be easy even now also. But see, n into 3n minus 5, it can be written as 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. It is clear that n is a divisor of this. The possible value of n are 2 or 5 or 10 or 25 or 50, etc. But no need to go very higher. N cannot be very small also, because if I take the value of n as 2, the product of these two cannot be equal to 250, because it is very big number as compared to this, because for n equal to 2, clearly it is 2 and it is 1. It is very easy to see that n cannot be 2. If I take the value of n as 5, 5 also clearly does not satisfy this, because for 5 it will be 5 into 10, but the right hand side is very big number. Next possible trial number is 10. If I put n equal to 10, I'll be getting 10 into 25. That is, it will become equal to this. Note that whenever n is a natural number, this type of way is always easier because calculating the value of n by quadratic formula will be very lengthy. Hence, from here I can get the value of n as 10. Some of the students may be thinking that it is a quadratic equation, therefore there must be one more value of n also. You can see very easily sum of the root is 5 by 3, one root is 10, and sum of the root is 5 by 3. You can easily say that the other root will be 5 by 3 minus 10. That is useless because n is a natural number. Hence we have got the value of n as 10. And now to find the coefficient of x to the power 4, first I write the general term in the expansion of this. T r plus 1 is NCR x to the power n minus r minus 3 by x squared to the power r. That is equal to NCR x to the power n minus r minus 3 to the power r x to the power minus 2r. Note that the value of n is 10. It is NCR x to the power n minus 3r minus 3 to the power r. And keeping in mind that n is 10 and I want to find the coefficient of x to the power 4, therefore it means the value of r is such that 10 minus 3r is equal to 4, that is 3r equal to 6, that is r equal to 2. Hence the coefficient of x power 4 will become 10c2 into minus 3 to the power 2, that is 45 into 9. This is equal to 405. Hence I can say coefficient of x power 4 is 405.